Eli. Hello.
Oh my God, where is he going? He's going where places where I don't normally go. Dude, you're on my patch. Get off.
Hello, baby. Are you okay? Exciting.
Dirty dog. He's learned all these tricks from me, of course. Look at him. He's rubbing against you, Mary.
Oh, stop it. He's a rabbit.
Yeah, he's rooting like rabbits.
He's not.
He's horny little bugger.
He's not. There's fluff everywhere.
What's wrong with your beard there, Mary?
No, look.
English Mary, where is she?
Look at that.
Oh, she's smiling to... she...
Do you want to know something?
I think English Mary is actually Mary Trentino.
Look at that fur. What's going up my nose? Look, you see that? Do you know what gets rid of that fur?
Oh, this is a good endorsement.
Do you know what? Look at that! Look at that on my legs. Look at that. Do you know what gets rid of that fur? I had a very exciting parcel today.
I thought that was your fluff.
Do you want to see the parcel?
I'd love to see you.
This isn't the
Babe,
parcel.
I'd love to see your
This
parcel.
is Eli. I want to see the parcel, baby. Do you want to see the
shit.
parcel? We put him down before he scratches us to death.
I'm going to end up in the
I
stew.
still got the scar from last week. Do, baby. I'll show you the parcel. Do you really want to see it?
Oh, please.
Come on, I'll show you. Come on.
Oh, a bit of plumber's crack there.
Oh, stop. What's it? Look at that. Oh my God.
Now,
That's your fluff.
What's this you're eating here, Mary? No balls.
I always get into trouble
Oh my
for the
God.
things that you're eating.
Don't tell me this started off as a whole cheesecake.
Let me just tell you something.
Tonight.
Let me just tell you.
That's a
This
disgrace.
is my flaws.
That's a disgrace. Oh, she's got her hand in my...
I have not.
What?
What is this second spoon you are?
You don't need 2 spoons, Mary. 1 is enough. What parcel arrived,
Do
darling?
you know what happened?
Don't get distracted.
I feel like I've got a beard on. Do you know what arrived today? This is how excited English Mary gets when a tiny little parcel arrives. You want to see it?
It's long and straight.
Is this live?
Is it from...
Is it live?
Is this from...
It's a video live.
No.
Well, I can't ask people nothing.
Is it from Sexyland?
God, babe, it's not.
No, it's not big enough.
You know when you'd get the Hoover? Oh, you know when you get the Hoover? How do you say it? Hoover.
Hoover.
The Hoover.
Hoover, yeah.
And all the little bristles after time, you think, I don't like this Hoover. It's not hoovering like I should. It's not sucking up everything. And you go into the corner, and instead of bending down and flicking out the little things, come on, should do it all.
Have another wine.
And that thing.
This is hers. This is hers. Look. That was full.
See that?
Get on with it.
Oh, I'm actually not joking.
Oh, have another swig of wine.
I've got rabbit ear. Anyway, this is what's in the box.
Oh, thank God.
Finally.
Oh, wow.
That little device
Is from Sexyland.
Stop it. Do you know what? You're meant to be just a videographer. But you do too much talking for a videographer. I have to get a new person. Who would like to be my new videographer of the English Mary? What's the page called?
It means that there's something else about English Mary.
There's something else about English Mary. Anyway. Oh, look, I can brush off the fluff.
Why do you keep doing that with your hair?
It's so soft. This is from Hoover. What's it called? Not Hoover.
Dyson.
Dyson.
Oh my God.
This is the bit that goes inside the Dyson. Now, did you know, if you've got a clever husband, they get online and they just order that
And
bit.
they pay far too much
If
for
I
that.
had done that,
Too
I
much
would have
is
ended up
like
with another Hoover.
$60
I tell you
for
right
that.
now. I'm not joking. So all the bristles... Let me get it. Wait.
No, it's upstairs with Olivia. No time.
Oh my God! Wait, Olivia, give me the Hoover! Give me the Hoover!
Oh,
I need the Hoover!
wow, this is exciting.
It's okay.
It's out of batteries. Like other things in this house are out of... It's out of batteries like other things in this house from Sexyland.
Thank you. I've got one trick mind. Let me just take a
Look at those.
part.
Wow, look at those flowers, Mary. Aren't they beautiful? Who bought you those? They are gorgeous. We're
Right.
after 5 minutes. People's
Right.
attention span, they're
Oh my-
done.
Have you finished with that spoon?
Use the other end.
Right. Now, this is is what happens when you live with girls. I'm a girl, but that's all her hair. Look at all that hair. Look at that. See that black? See that? That's meant to be like that. And over time you think, I don't like Dyson. Who made this? Man? No, it's just that the bristles went down and it doesn't collect. It so rolls. Nothing comes up.
Is that okay?
Look what's going in. This one, out the door. This one,
Leave that for
in
Tom.
with the old.
You just hit the rabbit!
Oh my God!
Oh my
You're
God.
right, it was all soft.
Animal abuse.
Oh, wait.
Animal abuse. I mean, the RSPCA. The RSPCA. Oh, babe. Off you go.
Wait.
It's a bit early in the night for that. But you got to take what you can get.
I knew Hoover! Do you know how excited I am?
Are we done?
That's going to pick up everything.
Are we done?
Including all that. Look, it's doing it without it ever been on. Well, not quite, but it will work.
Are we done?
I'm done.
All right. Night.
Wish Mary out.